we want to prove that the square of an even positive integer is divisible by 4. Let's look at this with some examples. 2 squared is equal to 4. 4 squared is 16, which is 4 times 4. 6 squared is 36, which is 4 times 9. So it's true for the ones we've tried. However, we can't keep on forever trying 8 squared, 10 squared, 12 squared, and so on. In order to get to a proof, we need to show that it's true for every even positive integer, and that means that we need to use algebra. Let's consider that n is a positive integer. 2n would therefore be even. 2n is part of the 2 times table, and everything in the 2 times table is even. If we square this, we get 4n squared. We know that n is an integer, and therefore n squared is also an integer. Therefore, 4n squared is in the 4 times table and is therefore divisible by 4.